Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My son is still talking to me. My name is Jennifer Miller, also known as Amethyst Winters. I am a mother of 4, co-parenting. 2 are moved out to our home. I am an author and I am a makeup lover. And these 3 these 3 videos I am shooting today all have to do with makeup. I say that because almost everything I do deals with makeup videos wise, but that is not who I am, and I am going to do a video on that soon. Soon. So, excuse me. Let's get started. Okay, so this came in the mail. I'm trying to see me. And this is who it is from. Of all the important things covered. And what it is about a month ago. No. My birthday was February 4th. And Dede told me, it's from Dede. Dede told me, I am sending you a gift. She's like, I am getting you a little box of goodies together for your birthday. I was like, you just gave me a humongous box? Hello? No. But she's like, nope, I don't care. I'm going to send it to you. Just know that this woman has a heart of gold. I freaking love her. Her birthday's coming up. I know her birthday, and I won't forget it this time. I forgot it once, and you think I wouldn't because it's the day before my son's birthday. Or the day after. Stop it. I think it's the day after. Yeah, I think it's the day after. Yes. But it's the day after my son's birthday, so I will not forget. I'm sitting here thinking, I think I forgot it already. It's around my son's birthday. I won't forget that part. It's, if I hit it on the 17th, it's either going to be too late or it's going to be early. Maybe I'll just do the 15th, and I know for sure it'll be early. Oh my gosh. So, I'm headed your way, girlfriend. It's coming. It's big. It's coming. Your birthday's coming. I cannot wait. So, but I thought, wouldn't it be a blast if I opened this up on camera? I just want to share with you what this generous woman got for me. And she's, I'm watching a video here, so not a video, it's my video. I'm trying to export it. Multitask. Don't we all? So I figured, yeah, I know, right? There we go. Okay, well, let's open this up. I'm looking for a box cutter. You're going to see me look for it because I really don't want to pause this video. So, you know what? We improvise. I have box cutters galore. You wouldn't believe it. I do. They're here everywhere, but I don't know where they are. Yeah, that's a thing. Girl, what did you give me? It's heavy. This is heavy. It's a small box. It's a chair box, but it's heavy. Okay. She wrapped it good. I'm getting it. Here comes my son, my youngest. But he did want to be in on this video, so I might just see if he'd like to join me. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, got it undone. I love her so much. Okay, yeah, so here we go. I get so excited. This is Vita Bread C. Oh my goodness. I've never before. Yeah, I know. I'm a little behind the times when it comes to face care. Ooh. Vitabraid C Dual Drop Serum helps skin look firmer, brighter, hydrated. Shoot, girl, cannot wait to try this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I'm thinking, nope, actually, yes, no, maybe so. Okay. We'll do this one next. No way. I've been wanting them forever. I'm serious. Okay, so like my list is long list of companies I want to buy palettes from. Really long, but this is on it. This is Dominique Cosmetics. The my eyes are horrible. My lighting's even worse. Don't worry about me. I am okay. I've never owned a Dominique Cosmetics palette. Sorry, trying to read that. Something else is tiny. But check that out. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. She is so sweet. She is so sweet. Oh my gosh. Those colors are freaking gorgeous. Oh, I'm going to swatch that one. It's about my skin color, but it is gorgeous nonetheless. Ooh. Let's do this one that is my skin color. Ooh. Ooh. That is pretty. That's a look right there. That is a look right there. Although there's that really, had dark one at the end. I know it's mirror, right? Dark one at the end. That would have been gorgeous with it. Oh my gosh! Yay! I'm okay. I'm okay. Yay! Sorry, I get excited. I do. Oscar Blandy Dry Shampoo Invisible Spray. Okay, true story. I'm so glad to get this, but here's the thing. I've never used dry shampoo, but within the last couple months, I've been actually thinking about trying it, because here's the thing. My hair is getting drier, so I don't wash it as often, because I need the natural oils, which means I need a little bit of this type of thing to saturate those, to make it look less grease balmy. Because I went out today and I was like, oh my God, Jen, you're hideous. Absolutely hideous. This is shower. I was like, ugh, God, you're going to be seen in public like that? Thank you, Dede. Yoo-hoo! I love that. Yay! I cannot wait to try it. I cannot wait to try it. It says spray invisible, so that is cool. I'll be looking forward to trying it. Olay Regenerous Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. Ooh, with a $3 coupon inside. Yay! I love Olay. I've loved Olay since I was young, and I've never tried this. I've actually never had a night moisturizer. Yeah, I know. I'm again late in the game. Woo! Don't mind me. Again, lighting is bad. This is a Prime and Set spray in coconut, and I am trying. Muscle twitched. Let's see if I can. No. Oh. This is by Beauty Evolved. Okay, I just couldn't see who it was by. I saw Beauty, but I couldn't read the next word. By Beauty Evolved. I am anxious because, you know, I only have like 2 or 3 setting sprays. And maybe 4. Yeah, I think maybe 4. And I'm just, it's like primers. I don't have many primers either. I'm really wanting some more face products. I don't have a lot. I just got rid of 2 foundations. Yeah, got rid of them because they're empty. So, which is yay, but still. Ooh. Yes, I've been looking at these on HSN because I've been thinking about buying a new one. I don't have to buy one yet. I might have to wait. I may be able to wait till next year. This is Ace Beauté. And HSN has Ace Beauté. And it's about the only way I can buy anything anymore is on HSN QVC or if they have Afterpay. Oh, that's gorgeous. Ooh. I know this has been shown a lot, but look at those colors. I love purples, I love reds, I love the freaking rainbow. What can I say? You give me a rainbow, I'll be like, yes. Any color of that rainbow, I'll be like, yes. Sorry. I love eyeshadow palettes. I freaking love eyeshadow palettes. We're going to toss that back in there real quick. We're not tossing nothing. Those are so pretty. I hear a lot of good things about Ace Beauté, and they're, or I think it's Ace Beauté, and they're shadows. Whatever. I'm sure someone will comment and correct me. That's what I meant. I never owned this. Oh my God. She probably thinks I'm an idiot. I know she doesn't, but oh my gosh, I have never owned a butter bronzer, and everybody talks about this. And this was the year I was going to pick one up, and oh, yay! I don't have to. I felt a little silly. Okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't wait to try these. We're not gonna. Nope, we're not coming out that way. We'll get it from the bottom. Not gonna open it. Smell it through the freaking package. Oh, I cannot wait. I only own a handful of bronzers. This is almost done, but there are 2 samples. She's so sweet. Oh my gosh. Yay, that's the end. 2 samples. I want to know what they are. Ooh. Awesome. I have the pure, the illuminating primer, but I have not tried the no filter one, so I will love to try this, see if it works. And I got a Lancome Absolute soft green. Yeah, we know what it is. So awesome! Oh my gosh! Look, I got this. 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 I'm running out of room. And I got this. I cannot wait till her birthday. I am gonna spoil you, girl. And it's not because of this. Just so you guys know, it's not because of that. I think we all are in a way. We like to please people, but she has such a heart for people that I want to return the favor. I want to pay it forward. I want her to know, and I know the process is other people, and that's okay. That is coming too. But she's just got this great heart for God and to serve Him, and this is how she does it. She loves on her brothers and sisters, and we have a great little group going, and I am so excited that you all, well, on the 6th, you'll get to see our whole group. So I cannot wait for you to see us do our very first video. But anyway, thank you. 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 Sorry, I'm looking at my computer too. Multitasking. Multitasking. Thank you so much, Dede. You are such a blessing in my life. I cannot, words can't express. Seriously, words can't express. I just, you guys go love up on her. Just go flood her freaking YouTube channel and everybody subscribe to her. If I had 10 million people, I'd ask 10,000,001 to go subscribe to her because she deserves it. She's just that wonderful. I love her. Her videos are charming and amusing, and I always learn something and I always get a giggle out of her because she's just so awesome. So, love you all. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oops.